Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Xonex, it's like Xonex, Tritone Ballpoint pen. And it's kind of a nifty little pen, a nifty looking little pen. And it's not very big. It runs about close to 4.5 inches. And they're available in a number of different colors. So you twist it. So this is the Xonex Tritone Ballpoint pen. Alright, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. I'll include a link to Amazon, and I'll also include a link to the Xonex webpage, because double check and make sure that it's not just cheaper on the Xonex website. So let's see. Going to refill it. You pull this out. You don't pull it out. I wonder how you do refill this thing. Oh, it unscrews. So there you go. That's how you unscrew it. Do I have something? This looks like a normal D1 refill to me. Let me grab a pen. I know that it has D1 refills. Alright. So let's try a different D1 refill. Quick comparison. Yep. So it takes D1 refills. Well, that's kind of cool. So if you are so inclined, yep. Alright, that's cool. So that's a pleasant surprise, actually, that it takes standard D1 refills. It's not a super expensive pen. It's like 10 or 15 bucks. And it's pretty solid. I mean, it feels relatively substantial for being a kind of a small pen. And just pop that back on like so. Well, that's kind of cool. And I mean, it is nice that it takes D1 refills. It's always a plus to have that as an option, which I like. So if you wanted to, you could just use your favorite D1 refill. Cool. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Neat little pen. And they have these in a bunch of different colors too. So, sort of a little pastel thing going on. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.